Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Hey, like I always say, don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. But today we're going to be doing a wheel axle hub on a 2009 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD two-wheel drive truck. So yeah, I haven't seen many videos online about changing the hub assembly on this truck. So I decided to make a quick one, so you guys could have a good how-to video on how to do it. So yeah, man, y'all stick with me. We're gonna knock this thing out and try to give y'all a good how-to video so y'all can know how to do it if you want to jump in and do this shit. So let's get it. All right, guys, so I'm doing the driver's side first. So to easily access all the bolts, I'm gonna lock my wheel all the way to the right so I can get all the hardware that's on the back side of this thing. All right, now, so I'm gonna be using a 21mm to remove the brake caliper mounting bracket bolts. These bolts right here. So use my breaker bar to break them loose, and then I'll use my ratchet to go ahead and take them all the way out. You don't have to disassemble the whole brake caliper and pads and everything. This bracket comes off as a whole. So just remove those bolts and the whole thing will come off. All right, now you can go ahead and remove your rotor. There's nothing holding it, so you can just literally pull it right off. So there you go. All right, with the rotor and the bracket out of the way, now we have exposed the bolts holding the assembly on. Now we got enough space to get those up out of there. So now I'm going to use my breaker bar and a 15mm socket to go ahead and get those broken loose, and then I'll use my ratchet to go ahead and finish getting them up out of there. All right, bolts are out and she's ready to come off. And if she doesn't come right off, I would pry a little bit with a screwdriver, but I would also leave a bolt in there so it doesn't fall down. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and get the brake caliper out of the way. Just tuck it up on the A-frame. And now, all right, now that I got it secured with that one bolt, I'm gonna start taking loose these zip ties and clips that hold this ABS wire on. So once you get them all loose, you pull that one down and take it loose from that clip. All right, guys, don't forget your dust plate. I actually forgot to put that on the other side when I put it back together, but just remember how it looked when we took it off. So just put it right back on the same way. All right, we're looking good so far. So we got that thing out of there, ready to put the new one in, man. So that's pretty much reverse steps. Everything you did to take it off, do the same thing to put it back on. So here's the part number for the part that I got from Detroit Axle. So just in case you guys want to get that. All right, guys, so I'm not gonna bore you to death on the install process. It's pretty easy. Put your new hub assembly on. Tighten up your bolts that's in the rear. All four of them, torque them down to the right spec. Boom, put your rotor on. It slides right on. Reinstall your brake caliper bracket. Pads included. Boom, there it is. Straighten your wheel back out and you're all done.